Do you want to quickly open your favorite app or feature with the side button? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra lets you assign a shortcut that launches when you double press the side button. Let me show you how. First, open Setting. Scroll down and tap Advanced Features. Tap side button. Tap double press. Then turn the feature on. Now choose the action you want to launch. Depending on your device, available options may include camera, privacy display, Samsung Wallet, flashlight, and else. For this example, let's select flashlight. Now return to the home screen. Double press the side button. As you can see, the flashlight turns on instantly. Now, double press the side button again, and the flashlight turns off. If needed, you can assign the shortcut to other available options depending on your need. And that's how you use the side button double press shortcut on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.